I'm going to show you how to clean your wheels for $5 or less with Dollar Tree products. Yikes, look at that brake dust. Let's fix that. Get your LA's Totally Awesome Orange Degreaser in a spray bottle. And let's spray a liberal coating. Go full Bernie Sanders on this wheel. Anywhere we see trapped dirt. Let that sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Whip out your magic wand and go to town. Scrub the barrel, behind the spokes, the lip, the lug nuts. Now take your microfiber cloth, lift up as much dirt as you can off the surface. Follow up a second time with that orange degreaser. Let that sit for another minute. And here's the final step. Take another cloth, a clean cloth, and wipe off that wheel. Again, make sure you get the barrel, the spoke, the lips, the lug nuts. Wipe off the tire when you're done. And there you have it. Repeat it 3 more times.